Shockwave, keep this spacing. You're good.
Okay, we need that space. Make sure we can watch runner get hit by an IED.
As long as Freaky doesn't get hit by IED, he requested it.
That's all that matters.
Checkpoint up ahead. Left. And then again, runner. Got like a checkpoint up ahead. Copy.
Tracking.
You want me to check it out before you push through?
What you got, leave it.
I'm gonna hold and DJ scout ahead. If there's
Copy.
anything suspicious up here in this checkpoint.
Copy. Hey, Freaky, go ahead and dismount. Mount your weapon up and get eyes out.
Rush.
Got a
Move to
radio
the left,
transmitter,
control,
285 west.
Hey, be advised, I'm tracking some type of Vic around southeast 120. It looks burnt down right off the road to our 10 o'clock.
I'll get eyes up on it. 120.
Copy.
I see a couple civilians on south, past the road, 195.
There's a guy at that burnt up vehicle. He just had something in his hand. Looked like an iPad or something. He put it away, but he's not armed.
Copy. Just keep eyes on him while DJ does his thing.
That sexy ass one-man CQB.
You got it, man.
With an LMG.
Looks
That was
clear.
fucking hot.
Push past this road to the dirt, and then the next one take a left.
All right, Shockwave, hang back a little bit.
Hey, keep your eyes open, because that guy could have been a possible spotter.
Copy.
Got a dirt pile.
Copy. Hey, Shockwave, back up
I'm gonna back
about 50 meters and get off the road. All right, hold there. Hey,
Watch those guys back by that rubble pile to our
Copy.
240.
Hey, Mittens, get eyes on that broken down vehicle to our left. Yep.
East.
Copy. All right, Runner, I'm going to dismount with you and check it out.
Copy. EJ, hop up in the turret.
Don't gotta say that twice.
Hey, Freaky, go ahead and do what you do, brother.
Rush, dismount.
Let's see if he keeps flipping around. Watch.
Sure.
You say shoot him?
Negative, don't shoot him.
Hearts and minds and all that, right?
We got extra candy bars. We can make it up.
Yeah, I need counseling.
It's two in his heart and one in his mind.
Hey, we got 2 dirt piles, both on each side of that road.
I'll step on one, you step on the other.
You first.
I don't see anything, but it could be, just like, IED could be pretty buried into the ground. I don't see any wires.
Copy. Honestly, I'll say place the charge just in case.
Okay. All clear?
We're clear.
Alright. Charge is going out.
You got the haul ass though.
C4 set.
Look at them legs move.
Run, Forrest, run.
That was definitely IED. Oops. You're good right there, Shockwave.
Hey, I'm gonna set up in this building right here at 105. See if I can get eyes on shit.
Copy.
Hey, DJ.
Yeah.
Can I get you set up with Paul Lee up here on this higher ground? We get the gun up high.
You guys are feeling all the Gatorade.
I got the respawn watch on me. You might be able to respawn.
Ricky just fell off the roof.
Yeah, I don't have eyes on that guy that was on the roof anymore. I don't know where he
Got him. He's on the street now.
Oh yeah, I see him on the street over there.
Even if he's in the tower, you can't shoot it.
I just walked into a compound and I lost visual.
Religious, you'll
Yeah, remember
Mark
that
the whole
guy? If it's a mosque tower, it's a mosque, you no
cannot
engage.
fire on it.
Fuck that, we blow it up.
Hearts and minds. DJ, this Daniel Lee said his cousin's talking a lot of smack about you. Some kind of weird questions you're asking him. I don't know. Getting rumors over here.
Hey, I'm pretty sure they're inbred because I have a Ted Lee over here and also a Paul Lee, so.
I don't seem too fond of you.
Brothers.
Alright, everybody's heads down.
D4's placed. Get ready for the boom.
That bitch was still alive.
Bitch.
Alright. All teams be advised, 2 Eagles coming back in base time now.